Bro, this is currently the most talked about DePIN airdrop on the Sui blockchain. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to join the 3DOS airdrop completely free, whether you're on PC or mobile. This is a simple 4-step process, and because the project is still in its early stages, with a launch planned in 2 months, this is the perfect time to get involved and start earning rewards before the crowd catches on. 3DOS is a blockchain-based platform that connects global manufacturing capacity using DePIN infrastructure. The goal is to revolutionize the manufacturing industry by decentralizing production and enabling a global connected network of browser nodes. 3DOS has raised over $1.05 million in funding. The team is credible and has previously been involved in the WAL airdrop. It leverages DePIN and blockchain to disrupt traditional manufacturing. It offers free token rewards. You earn points by running a lightweight browser node, and those points will be converted into SUI tokens. The airdrop window is limited. The mainnet goes live in 2 months, so early adopters will have the upper hand. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our content to stay updated with more airdrop alerts. Also, stick around until the end of this guide. I'll explain how to set this up on your mobile device as well, so you can earn on the go. How to join the 3DOS airdrop on PC, step by step. This method is simple and beginner-friendly. You can go from sign up to earning in less than 10 minutes. Step 1, sign up and get 1,000 free points. Click the referral link provided in the video or article description. Create your account using your email and password. Verify your email to activate your account and receive 1,000 free points. Step 2. Complete social tasks. Go to the Earn More Points tab in your dashboard. Connect your Twitter, Discord, and Telegram accounts. You must connect your email as well to qualify for full rewards. For best security, use a dedicated crypto email account. Step 3. Install the 3DOS browser node. In your dashboard, generate your API key. Download the Chrome extension via the provided link. Install the extension, open it, and paste your API key. Once it's activated, your browser will start earning points passively while you use the internet. Step 4. Invite and earn referral bonuses. Navigate to the referral tab in your dashboard. Copy your unique referral link and share it with friends, followers, or your crypto community. You'll earn 10% of the points your referrals generate, which can seriously boost your earnings. How to join the airdrop from mobile. Want to participate directly from your phone? You'll need a Web3 compatible browser that supports Chrome extensions. Recommended browsers include Brave, Kiwi, and Mises. To get started, install one of the supported browsers, search for and install the 3DOS Chrome extension, log in with the same API key you used on desktop. You're now earning points directly from your mobile device, perfect for users who are always on the go. Mistakes you must avoid. Do not skip email verification. Without it, you will not be eligible to earn rewards. Do not forget to run your browser node daily. This is the main way to earn points passively. Do not ignore the referral system. Top earners recruit at least 10 friends and earn exponentially more. Final tips to maximize your airdrop rewards. Bookmark your 3DOS dashboard so you can check progress easily. Join the official 3DOS Discord server to stay updated on task releases and news. Check back weekly for new earning opportunities and bonus tasks. If you followed this guide, congratulations. You are now part of one of the most promising DeepIn projects in the crypto space. Keep your browser node active, invite others, and stay engaged to make the most out of this opportunity. Want to explore more free airdrop opportunities? Be sure to check out our other tutorials and resources in the links provided. If this guide helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next big crypto airdrop.